Good day. Today we are going to continue from where we stop in the design of air terminal devices, sizing of air terminal devices. So we have shown in the previous calculations. So this is a return diffuser and this is supply diffuser as shown in the diagram. Don't forget, return diffuser has only one diagonal while supply has double diagonal and the arrow is pointing outwards. So today we are going to look at how to place these air terminal devices in a room. For instance, let's consider this bedroom 1. So if we are to place a required number of air terminals that can be placed depending on the size, we want to take an instance of placing 6 air terminal devices, both return and supply diffusers, in this bedroom 1. So to do that, there is an illustration I put here. So let's say we are going to draw a square, sketch it, and then you place the terminal devices in this arrangement, and thereafter you measure the distance, you represent the distance from the first terminal device to the left wall as x, and the distance between the individual terminal devices will be twice as that distance, and to the wall again will be x. That will be 2x, 2x, and x. So the vertical distance as well, that will be represented by y, and to the next subsequent terminal device will be 2y, and the distance between the terminal device that is next to the wall is y. So all the length will be added together, y plus 2y plus y, that is 4y, equal to the length of the height of the given room as shown in this arrangement. Also, the horizontal distances here, x, 2x, 2x, and x, that will be 6s, will be equivalent to the total length of the plan. So let's move back to the design. So we'll now look at to measure the distance between this bedroom 1 that we are considering to place the air terminal devices. And to do that, we'll need to take dimension of the inner part of the room. So from here to this particular end point, and then we have a distance of 22 feet. 22 feet. So that's 22 feet, and from that of the height from here to this is 15 feet 6 inches, and from there we can convert this to inches since our terminal devices measure in inches. So for the horizontal arrangement that we have 22 feet, we are going to have this arrangement equals to the horizontal arrangement which is 22 feet. So 22 feet multiplied by 12, which is 12 inches, equal to 1 feet, multiplied by 22 feet, that are 264 feet. Inches, 254 inches. This is 254 inches. We are going to have the total length here to be 264 inches. 264 inches, and the height will be 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 12, plus 6, that's 150 feet. 150 feet. So we are going to equivalent the total length here, which is y plus y plus y, to be equals to the total length in inches, which is 4y. So 150 divided by 4, so that will be 37.5. So each of the y will be equals to 37.5 inches, and 2y will be equals to 2y will be equals to, that's 7.5 times 2, 75 inches, 75 inches. So the same thing will be done to the vertical, the horizontal distances, where we have x, that's 264, which is total length, divided by 2x, 2a, that's 6, 264 divided by 6, that's 44 inches, 44 inches. So x will be 44 inches, and 2s will be 88 inches, that's 88 inches. Then we have another 88 inches, then another 88, another 44 inches, 88 inches. So this is, then this will be 44 inches. So this will be the length of the distances to be selected while placing the, so to do that, we have seen the, so we are going to draw, we are going to cross the line along this the inches, so we can select these horizontal lines. That will be the horizontal line. We'll go back to the drawing at 44, 88, 88, 44 from the inner part of the design. So we'll go to the line command, and we are going to we can change the layer. We change the layer to probably we use door, okay, so that we go to the line, and from here we start the point from here, and the first one we say this is 44 inches, press enter, then next to 88 inches, press enter, and the next one is 88 inches, press enter, and the final one, which is going to end here, will be 44 inches, press enter. So that ends here at the start points. So we'll go to the vertical one, click the line, and click the vertical line here. Move the cursor along the straight line. Move the cursor along the straight line, and then the first one is 37.5, 37.5 inches. Then the next one along the line, that was 7.5 multiplied by 2, that's 7.5 multiplied by 2, that's 75. So the next one will be equal to, along this vertical line, make sure that it's along the vertical line, so 75 inches, and then (75 inches), then 37.5 inches, and that should end here. This is not take the distances again. Take it again. From here, move the cursor along this line, and the first one is 37.5. 37.5. Let's wait. Is that correct? Actually, that is 4. I think that is correct. Yes, that's 4y, 37.5. So that's 7.5 along the straight line. So that's 7.5. That's 7.5 inches. then 75 inches, then 37.5, 37.5 inches. Inches. Okay. So we have the lines. So we draw the line. So we go to the line, then we go to the first demarcation here, take it down. We hence that the second one. So all this line will be deleted. So these are the three vertical lines, 1, 2, 3. Then for the horizontal line, go to the horizontal line at 7.5 the first one, and the next one from here will be at 7.5. The lines are not aligning. Let me take it again from this side at 7.5 along this line. That's a 7.5. Okay, so that's the 7.5. And from this side too, we will have 37.5. 37.5 inches. So then the minimum will be 75. So we can join the line and the second one. So this is the arrangement of the placement of the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we now move the already configured blocks that we have. We can duplicate them. It can be duplicated, copy. 1, 2, 3, just 3, because it will be of equal out of the 6. The return will be 6, and the supply will be 6. So copy from this end, 1, copy, 1, 2, 3. So we can then move them to the arrangement. So if we move the supply cylinder